Hey folks, Adam here, checking out this. It's from Napcat, which is a great company. This is a 4K security system that you never have to charge. We've got it temporarily mounted out here on the lanai to keep an eye on the cats while we go on vacation. That's really cool. This is fully waterproof, two-way audio, and this is really fantastic. Using a mesh system to go ahead and connect cameras and giving you great coverage even at a distance. Let's go ahead and check it out. Kick it off right about now. So the best thing about it, one of my favorite things, is this built-in solar panel that you can direct wherever the sun may be. That's going to make it to where you never have to charge it. Couple that with their powerful batteries, built-in batteries that are built to last and charge quickly and easily, as well as conveniently. I love that as well. The technology for solar panels has never been rivaled, and those batteries charge faster and more efficiently than ever before. Now with that big 4K lens, you're going to get a beautiful resolution, if you will, for any video or any pictures you may take on your phone. And as long as you have Wi-Fi on your phone, you'll be able to check your cameras from around the world. I love that. Now this has IR or an LED to light up the night, which means you're going to get tremendous night footage, whether that's using, again, that IR lens, looking at things in the complete dark, or turning on that little light. You'll be able to see anything going on. This is going to be great for security. Now this also has two-way audio, which we'll test and show off here in a moment, and I'll be able to talk to somebody on the other end, whoever has the app, and that is nice as well. Now, the company itself is a premier brand. A premier brand has been building high-quality equipment, high-quality cameras for a long period of time. They stand behind their products and they're built to last. These new batteries they put in here are built to last much longer with no negative battery memory for recharging, and it's the latest technology there as well. The speaker makes it to where you can broadcast pretty much like a siren, and that's going to help as well. You can see somebody on your porch. You can say, "Hey sir, please get off my porch. We have you on camera." And just the presence of a camera is going to keep people from doing those bad things. Now I love the fact that this solar panel is so much smaller. You just mount 3 built-in screws very easily on the back here, and the system is done. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about charging it. Nothing like that. And then multiple cameras, all can be controlled by the app itself, and you can keep a full range and look at your house with camera after camera. That mesh is going to keep a great Wi-Fi signal going back and forth. I love it, and I think you're going to love it as well. So you can also direct it and move the camera exactly where you want it to be pointed. That makes it good. The high resolution makes it great, and the fact that it ties into a very handy app that's available on your app store for you to pick up right now. All right, folks, I'm going to give you a second to go pick it up. We're going to show you some of the features. But if your question is, should you pick it up? It's a resounding yes. Resounding yes. Now stick around. We'll show you some more features and then the up-close portion of the video coming up next. All right, Watson, can you hear me all right?
Hey, Adam. Yeah, loud and clear.
That's perfect. Two-way audio. So that is a real advantage there. The person on the other side not only can hear what I'm saying, but they can transmit and talk back. So that's pretty cool. Watson, did you get all that?
Sure did. Two-way audio for the win.
That's right. 10-4, good buddy.
Over and out.
All right, folks, just to show you, this has tremendous night vision as well using the LED or IR. So depending on your needs, you can turn on a light, which is going to be great for security, being able to flip on a light. Use that audio or use night vision to see what's going on. I cannot wait to show you more. And yeah, let's go ahead and open her up. Zoom out just a little bit more for you. And yeah, I can't wait to show it off. Now, one of the things that they've really advanced in technology is how easy it is to set these up. I remember my first security camera system, you had to hire a professional. Wow, and look at how small the solar panels can be now. That's really impressive, folks. Yeah, it's real impressive. Now those solar panels, they're just gonna be USB-C. They plug right in, one for each camera. Here's your quick start guide. But the first thing I always do is go get that app. Go get that app, folks, before you turn them on. and it's going to connect. There's a variety of ways to connect using the pairing button. Very exciting there. Excuse me. And there we have remove protective film, of course, before you start. That's nice that they put that on there to make sure it doesn't get scratched up in installation or anything. Probably want to remove that last, but I just did it for the camera. See, here's your easy, straightforward mounting. You're going to mount to the wall and then put your camera there, tighten her down, get the position that you want. And look at that, you can adjust it however you want it. Very straightforward there. And I bet, yes it is, that's that standard mount. So if you did want to put that on any sort of other camera mount, tripod mount, anything like that, they've standardized the process, which I like because I have some permanent mounts into my house that I can change out cameras, change out security systems, do whatever I need to do. It's just nice that that plays with everything else if you're replacing an old system. So, straightforward, stylish, and sophisticated. And they do have everything that you need for incredible cameras, style, and sophistication. All right, folks, there's your little mouse. All the wiring you need. And let's see what's in this box. Boy, they spare no expense here with the mounting apparatus, allowing you to put these wherever you want, the screws, everything that we've talked about already. All right, folks, my name is Adam. We're talking about the best products in all the land. I'm gonna bring in this camera right here. Dual cameras. With style, grace, and sophistication, this is going to run the place. Go pick it up. You will not be disappointed. This is the best in the land. Get it while you can. Two-way audio, the speaker, the IR, the LED light on the front. Looks like you've got your USB-C on the bottom. Your probably a reset button there. Your TF card can go right there, so you can be sure that you're always getting coverage no matter what. This is the best. All right, folks, thanks for joining us. We have incredible products time and time again. You will not be disappointed. Go check it out. If you haven't put it in your cart, it is time now. Goodbye, my friends.